What is up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $30 per hour by just watching videos. And guys, the company that I'm going to be share with you is going to pay you via PayPal, so you do not have to worry about the payment. It is totally trusted. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now let's jump into the website and let me share with you everything. So now basically the website is that Try My UI is the website, and you can find the link of this website in the description. So basically this is a website on which you can come and do the test. Okay, so basically first of all they are going to show you how do you need to do the test, and then you simply need to head over to that website and you just simply need to do the test. It's that simple, literally, guys. So after coming on the website, you need to click on the become a tester. Okay, so then you will be redirected to a page like this, and over here, as you can see, you will be paid $10 for each test you take, and a typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. So that's going to be $30 per hour, and you can easily get to the test over here. Yeah, probably you are not going to get thousands of tests, but probably you can at least get a little bit test, like sometimes 5, 10. It just depends on the conditions, whether the companies require companies need test or they do not need test. Okay, so basically, as you can see, how will I be paid? And you can see over here, we send payments out every Friday through PayPal, so you will be paid through the PayPal. And also guys, literally, so basically the tests are of such a kind of, first of all, when you are going to register on this website, they are going to show you a video how you need to complete the test, and then they are going to simply send you to a website where you just need to complete the test. For example, a website is going to just take a test that whether their website is user friendly or not. Okay, and the other tests can be like their add to cart button is taking them to the cart. Okay, or it is just taking them to checkout, or is it adding the product. So they are going to just simply do the research, do the test whether their site is working properly. So you do not need literally any skill, you just need to, and in some of the cases you just need to tell your views, like what do you think about the website, how can they change the website according to you. Okay, so probably it's the only thing that you just need to give your opinion, and that's the only thing you need to do. Okay, and probably if there will be any other thing, you can find that they are going to give you they are going to give you everything if you need to follow any other thing. And when you just need to come over here, just enter your name. Okay, enter your email, and the payments are made via PayPal, so this email address should be the PayPal. Okay, and also you just need to write your password, and again confirm your password. Simply click on the captcha, and then you can simply just confirm your email address, and then the test will be sent via email address. So whenever there are going to be any test, it is going to be sent via email. Okay, so just keep checking your email at least once a day, so you do not miss any of the test. Okay, so this is what, guys, the website that is going to pay you money. And now guys, let me tell you, if you want to build a successful business of making $100, at least $100, then check out the link in the description. Because guys, probably you are going to make a little bit of money from here, but you are not going to make a full-time income from here. But if you want to make at least $100 a day online, okay, then check out the link in the description, because there I have given you the training, this very simple training on how you can make your first $100 a day online. Basically, I have shared everything in a very easy manner, and I have shared the 4 free traffic sources that you can use right now and can start making money now. Okay, and the method I'm going to share with you, with which you are going to make $100 a day, is the affiliate marketing. So you should only check out that link if you are interested in the affiliate marketing. But guys, trust me, it is the easiest method to make money online. You need zero money. Okay, you probably need zero money, and you probably need zero skill. Okay, with the time you can keep on learning the skill, but you do not need any special skill. While you will be just working, you will be keep on learning new skills. Okay, when I was also just getting into the affiliate marketing, I was not aware of a lot of things, but now I really know a lot of things. Okay, so that's what with the time you will be keep on getting each and everything. And that's what I can say. Just check out the link in the description for making full-time income, and that's all. And if you want to if you want to me to make more videos on affiliate marketing, then leave a comment below. I will surely do that. And if you want to do more videos, then if you want me to do more videos on this topic, then probably also leave a link in the description. I will also do that for you. Okay, so bye bye, tata, and I will see you in the next video.